Hey guys, if you're based here in Australia and you're looking to get something started on Amazon Australia or Amazon USA, stop right there. Now, the biggest challenge people have is finding products. And in this video, guys, stay with me. Don't click away. Stay with me. I'm actually going to reveal 2 products right now that you can get involved with and sell these on Amazon. And in addition to that, what I'm doing is I'm also running a live webinar, a live presentation around this video. You'll see a link somewhere around this video. There'll be a link. Give that link a click because I'm running a live presentation where I'm going to go through the top 10 products that are selling right now on Amazon. So 10 products that are selling really well on Amazon, and also the step-by-step process to getting that on Amazon. So finding quality products that are doing really well, making sure that the suppliers are really like bona fide good suppliers and you're not going to get ripped off, and also how to list that on Amazon. So I'm going to go through the entire process on this live presentation. So do join me for that. Now guys, I'm going to show you in just a second 2 products that are doing incredibly well. And really, if you're based here in Australia and you're looking to get something started, right, the biggest mistake people make is they choose really bad products. They choose terrible products that are just not making money. The terrible products that are just not doing well. So come with me guys, I'm going to show you 2 products right now that are doing really well. Come on. Alright guys, so let me show you exactly some of the products that I'm getting involved in right now, alright? And I just want to show you the potential of what you can be making on Amazon. So just have a look here on the screen, right? So as you can sort of see here, these are simple travel kettles, right? So nothing fancy, nothing sort of fancy pants, right? Simple foldable travel kettles. Now, let me just run the numbers on this, and we actually show you how to run the numbers using software online. And you can see here, some of these kettles are actually doing incredible numbers. This one right here, as you can sort of see here, let me just zoom in here, on here, right? This one here is a very basic kettle doing close to $20,000 per month. There's one up here, again, basic kettle, foldable kettle, doing close to $15,000 a month, right? So these are really basic products. Here's another product that I'm interested in as well. It's a travel adapter, basically a travel umbrella. Okay, so it's a very basic umbrella, very small, very lightweight, doesn't have any batteries, it's not going to explode on anybody, right? I like to keep things really simple, and so should you, especially as your first product. But you can sort of see here the numbers involved. Guys, this is just an umbrella. This is a simple umbrella. As you can sort of see here, 7,000, 6,000. This is USD. You have to do the conversion to Australian dollars. But you can see here, you got umbrella here, 12 rip, windproof, lengthened handle, $9,000, right? Here we go, $5,000. Let me just zoom in here so you can sort of see the numbers here. 5,000, 2,000, 9,000, $63,000 on a very simple umbrella. Okay, you can sort of see there, right? So very basic, very simple umbrella, small, lightweight, and foldable. And guys, this is what you focus on. This is what we're going to be talking about at the webinar. This is why you need to be at the webinar. So don't forget, around this video, give it a click. I'd love to see you there. We're going to be talking about these products and more. Bye-bye for now.